Moldex 3D has been deeply engaged in the field of plastic injection molding for over 30 years and dedicated to providing professional simulation solutions. To keep pace with the trends of the digital era, Moldex 3D introduces its brand new cloud service Moldiverse, aiming to help businesses achieve digital transformation. Built on the concept of 4M1E, Moldiverse functions as a cloud ecosystem. Users can register an account to experience the core functionalities of injection molding simulation online. Moldiverse provides a one-stop solution for product development optimization. Moldiverse University, a digital learning platform specifically designed for plastics processing by Moldex 3D experts. Users can select from a wide variety of courses to suit their learning needs. From fundamental to advanced levels, each course is meticulously crafted by industry experts to help learners master the latest technologies and stay ahead of industry trends. Material Hub Cloud, the comprehensive online material database. It allows users to quickly search and compare materials, find alternative options, perform material data fitting, and export material files, enabling a deeper understanding of the plastic molding process and material application properties. As plastic materials on the market continue to innovate, we keep updating the database to provide users with the first-hand information. iMolding Hub, the online machine database. Users can quickly search for available machines and establish unique digital twins for each. By considering the physical characteristics and dynamic responses, CAE Simulation can generate the model file of Moldex 3D machine digital twin. This ensures the optimized molding process better aligns with the actual molding. The integration of CAE analysis results and mold tryout guidance helps businesses advance toward intelligent manufacturing. In Moldiverse Forum, users can connect and exchange insights with Moldex 3D experts and top professionals from around the world. Whether seeking solutions or exploring innovative ideas, users can always count on Moldiverse Forum. For those looking to enhance workflow automation, Moldiverse Store is the ideal choice. It provides automation tools and applications tailored for Moldex 3D. Users can browse and download high-quality applications anytime, anywhere, significantly improving the overall user experience. Developed especially for Moldiverse, the AI-powered assistant MoldiBot is ready to offer instant and precise answers. Whether troubleshooting software operations or tackling technical challenges, MoldiBot helps users overcome obstacles in an instant, eliminating the need for lengthy searches and waiting times. With a wide range of services, Moldiverse builds a diverse cloud ecosystem. We highly value the information security while driving innovation, and Moldiverse is certified with ISO 27001. Users can trust that all services on the platform are secure and reliable. Moreover, users can use any device, whether a phone, tablet, or computer, to access Moldiverse anytime, anywhere. This allows users to stay on top of the team progress and manage every detail from design to manufacturing, resulting in more accurate decision-making. Moldiverse drives businesses toward digital transformation and makes the impossible possible.